Hi guys, Handysir is in the house. So right now I just want to show you guys my finished product. All are made of wooden pallets. So the first here are the two display tables. Made of 3 pieces wooden pallets. Okay, so these two tables can be connected into one, and it can also stand alone independently. So it depends on the needs of the owner on how she will set up these display tables. Next is the counter. Okay, so this is the counter. The height of this one is 4 feet with a length of also 4 feet. It has also a drawer. This is designed for the cash of the owner. Okay guys, if you noticed, all the materials are made of wooden pallets except for some accessories, just like this one, the handle, the drawer lock, and the drawer guide. So this project is quite less expense when you speak of materials. So you can use the wooden pallet. Some people are consider this as a junk or even garbage in their respective place, but they don't know Handysir can make it a useful project. So the only thing is we must be creative. Okay, so I hope that most of us people will practice how to recycle materials. So thank you guys. I hope that you're going to continue to watch my upcoming videos. And for those who are just new in my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.